Oh, shit.
Hey, he had one round.
Salute, bro. Salute, bro.
Spinning. I spent till I'm dizzy, I get to them binges. I been winning. Ain't calling it quits, I'ma fight to the finish.
Gang. You know what I'm saying? Out here having a ball. What's good, life? Latest YouTube family ever. You know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Same video, different outfit, but I'm grinding for y'all. Got the Tannerite on deck or whatnot. So we finna try to explode some stuff, I guess. Y'all talking about, I ain't never used this. I'm out here with the gang, they brought it. So they finna put me on to see what it do. Now I want to get it for y'all.
Him and his bell.
That should be.
Yeah. I'm bad, but I ain't that bad. Hold on, I'm gonna wait. Hey, drop it. Oh, well, you know, get him real quick. I'm trying. Stay with them. I'm gonna get him. Oh, he hit that. I'm hitting it, right? Yeah, you hit that hole. You did hit it once? Just once? I heard it. Okay, well, that's my ears ringing in. That's just what Hey, we'll be back. Oh, we finna be back. I'm finna go get my other proof. Alright, baby. I'm trying to target him that bitch. Hold on. Hey, I don't know how to do all that. I'm gonna go in the back. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, come on, we can run them us together. Hey, record this.
Oh, shit.
I'll shoot this hoe one-handed.
I got the, I'm Gen 1 Galil.
Nah, hell nah.
P90 or whatnot. And
that ain't fair.
we finna let them go.
Why would you do that? What an idiot. Don't let that shit go.
Good.
Nah, you gotta shoot one thing.
My shit was on safe like the hoe.
Okay.
I'm good. You good? All right, got the Tannerite over there.
You wanna go with me?
You know what I'm saying?
You got the honors.
We got this trying to hit it. We got the K trying to hit it.
He said this.
Take a shot.
Yeah. That one was loud.
I mean, I'm not gonna shoot it, but
I ain't see shit.
I felt it in my face, honestly.
And where'd the plate go? It's on the floor?
It's gone.
Yeah, them are out of there. Let me see that mud.
That hole at the ground.
5.6 or the AK?
Come on.
You know what I'm saying? Got the PS4 over there.
Green light.
Ah, we good.
PlayStation on top of the wood.
Yeah, it's kind of tough.
Oh, it fell. Hold on. Oh.
I'm accurate though.
Oh.
I got one bullet left.
All right, second attempt. Second attempt. We gonna scoot up. We're gonna get the good shot. One shot kill. Oh, Oh shit!
Nigga, I got one.
Oh shit!
Hey, he had one round.
Salute, bro. Salute, bro. Hey, I was tired of that PlayStation. Hey, I'm finna walk over here. I'm finna walk over here.
Hey, I was trying to hold that shit.
Damn. That bitch blew up. The hell in the air, Z-Life. Damn, Life. Everything went everywhere, Life. Look at this. PlayStation everywhere. PlayStation everywhere. PlayStation everywhere. Boy, this shit went everywhere. All over here. Over here. I know the whole thing went in the lake. The whole damn thing went in the lake. But yeah, man. Hey. You know what I'm saying? That might blew the target up. Hey, YouTube. If y'all like stuff like this, bro, stay tuned for my next video. I got some monitors out here. I'm finna line these monitors up and blow these monitors up. So yeah, man, y'all see what the Tannerite do. Threw the PlayStation way up there. This is the end of this video. Y'all like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm out.
Shoot that hoe. Make sure you shoot.
Shoot one, make sure I shoot.
Yeah. All right. Y'all come over here.
Hold on. Everybody else.
And I want y'all to get in a nice little line.
Right. I'm over here, nigga.
Hey, hold on. Okay, hold on. I gotta come over here then, cause y'all all moved out of sight. Hey, scoot down a little more. Oh no, never mind. Look, I'm gonna get right there between y'all two.
Record the water.
Bro, I can't. It's either.
Fuck it. Come on. Here.
No, I can't. I'm finna shoot.
Hold on, the light. Oh, okay.
Ceasefire, go sign, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to
Hey, no. This you too. None of that.
baby. You know what I mean? Straight.
All right.
I got my zipper down. Hold on, you got the
Ready?
zipper down.
We coffee. Fuck.
All right, you call it, Z.
All right, Life, this for y'all.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Go.
Binges, I been winning. Ain't calling it quits, I'ma fight to the finish. You know that we with it. Ain't never been average, my